Hi everyone, it's Heidi and welcome to our tip for essential oils. And this today, since it's getting closer to Christmas, I thought I would talk about making some Christmas gifts. And we're going to probably try to do some more of that in the next few weeks. Hopefully I'll be able to get to that. Today I was supposed to have a make and take and things got messed up on Facebook with invites, so we didn't have the class. So I thought, well, I'll take this time to just talk about it here. What you can do with essential oils, and those people that are really hard to buy for, that you're like, I don't know what they want, they have everything, and chances are maybe they don't have essential oils, and so they might enjoy something that is essential oil related. So today I want to talk to you about making sprays. I have these labels, but you can go to like Joann's or Peckitan's or things like that and get these. They look, either they could be plain black or sometimes they have like a chalk type label. You can buy a sheet of them and then you can get like a white pen that goes along with them. Just ask one of the people there, they usually know exactly what you need, and then just use these cute labels. You can put like a bow on it or whatever, and then all you have to do is put water in it. Usually distilled water works well. If you have maybe filtered water, something like that, it works good. The best thing to use is any of the diffuser recipes that you might have. If you have a favorite diffuser recipe, chances are if you put those oils into a bottle, you can even use a larger bottle than this, like a 4 or 5 ounce bottle, and put the water in first, put the oils that you like in your diffuser in there, and make a spray out of it. You could spray it just in a home. You can spray it on a pillow, spray it inside the door. You can spray it on something that maybe would hold the smell a little bit better. I have like a little container in my breezeway that has baking soda in it, and then every once in a while I can either put oil on there or I can use a spray and spray that on there. So of course for Christmas Spirit is a great one. So you can just take the bottle, add maybe 10 drops of Christmas Spirit or something in there, and then you've got your spray and it's all ready. And another thing you can do, so this one, it's kind of like a forest type spray. This one has white fir, 5 drops, 3 drops of grapefruit, and 3 drops of frankincense. And you can pretty much use, like I said, any diffuser recipe that you want. I will try to link some to this video when I put it on YouTube. This one with Citrus Fresh, which is my favorite oil blend to diffuse, you can take 8 drops of Citrus Fresh and 2 or 3 drops of cinnamon bark, and that adds that nice Christmassy smell to it. So I think that's all I wanted to say. I hope you guys get some good ideas from this. You can also make roller balls with these oil combinations. I wouldn't use water. You could put like a carrier oil. So if you guys have any questions or any ideas, let me know, and hopefully I will be able to share some other stuff with you. Have a great day. Take care.